Hey there, foodies and baking enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Betty Crocker's new dessert toppers, specifically their flavored sugar collection. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sugar? Isn't that a bit, well, cliché? But hear me out, because this isn't your grandma's sugar. It's a whole new level of sweetness, and I'm here to break it down for you. So, let's get started. First things first, why is Betty Crocker launching a new line of dessert toppers? Well, in my opinion, it's all about meeting the demands of today's consumers. We're living in a time where convenience and customization are king. And what better way to satisfy those cravings than with a simple sprinkle of something magical? Now, I'm not saying that sugar is the answer to all our problems, but it sure does make life a little sweeter, right? And let's be real, who doesn't love a little extra sparkle in their life? Now, let's talk about the flavors. Betty Crocker has gone all out with 6 crave-worthy options, each one more enticing than the last. We've got the classic lemon twist and vanilla bean, which are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your favorite pies and cookies. But what really caught my eye were the seasonal flavors, peppermint and pumpkin spice. These are the kind of flavors that make me think of cozy evenings by the fireplace and warm, comforting drinks. And let's not forget about salted caramel, which is the perfect balance of sweet and salty, a flavor that never gets old. One thing that immediately stands out about these flavored sugars is their versatility. You can use them to upgrade all your favorite treats and beverages. Imagine a lemon cookie or lemon bar topped with a sprinkle of lemon twist sugar. Or a creamy ice cream topped with a generous dusting of salted caramel sugar. It's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even use them as a rim for a cream soda mixed drink. Now, that's what I call a unique twist. Now, let's talk about the packaging. Betty Crocker has gone with shaker bottles, which makes it super easy to control the amount of sugar you're using. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good shaker bottle? It's like a little magic wand that can transform any ordinary treat into something extraordinary. Plus, the bottles are cute and compact, making them perfect for storing in your kitchen cabinet or even as a gift for a friend. Now, let's take a look at what people are saying about these flavored sugars. On Amazon, reviewers have given Betty Crocker's flavored sugars an overall positive rating. And it's easy to see why. One reviewer raved about how delicious the lemon twist sugar was on top of lemon cookies and lemon bars. Another reviewer compared the salted caramel sugar to the topping Starbucks uses on its caramel drinks, which is high praise indeed. And let's not forget about the unique way one reviewer used the sugars, as a rim for a cream soda mixed drink. It's clear that these sugars are versatile and can be used in a variety of ways. So, what's my take on all of this? Well, in my opinion, Betty Crocker's flavored sugar collection is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. It's a fun and easy way to add a little extra sparkle to your favorite treats and beverages. And with 6 crave-worthy flavors to choose from, there's something for everyone. Plus, the shaker bottles make it super easy to control the amount of sugar you're using, which is a big plus in my book. So, if you're looking for a way to add a little extra magic to your life, I say go for it. Order the entire collection today and get ready to indulge in some seriously delicious treats. Because, let's be honest, life is too short for boring sugar, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.